Hello, fifth graders. Welcome to phonics work today. We're going to be working on our automaticity. Remember, we're working on the speed of our reading and our writing. All right, and one of the tools that we have on our tool belt are understanding how words are written in the English language. And so far this year, we covered closed syllables, open syllables, R-controlled vowels. And today we're going to add on the vowel consonant E syllable in each word. All right, so I'm going to have you grab your My Word Study book. Feel free to pause the video if you need to. All right. And what we're looking for in these words are places that we find the vowel consonant E. We're looking for that because when a word ends in an E, it causes that first vowel to make its long sound or to say its name. All right, so let me see. Maybe the first word on the list is those. Do you see how it has O, S, which is a consonant, and then the letter E? Okay, I'm going to circle that O-S-E. Right, that's the pattern that we're looking for today. And then I also want you to notice that how that O is making its long sound. Those. So the O is saying its name. Then if you look at the second word on the list, you see brave. This one has A consonant E. So the letter V there is our consonant. Okay, so you can circle the A-V-E. And then again, just notice how that A is making its long sound. Brave. And then that E doesn't make a sound at all at the end. It's a brave. Right? And then the third word on the list is while. Right? So we have our vowel, which is I, our consonant, that's L, and then we have the E at the end. So go ahead and circle those three letters. And notice that the I is a long sound and the E is silent. While. Okay, so that E is making that vowel make its long sound. All right, I'm going to challenge you. Normally we do 2 or 3. See if you can find 5 more places. Whether they're in the words below the line or the words above the line, where you see vowel, consonant, E. Okay, and feel free to pause the video if you need more time finding those. All right, and then we're going to follow our normal routine. We're going to pronounce each of these words with someone. We're going to practice reading the words on your own. And when you're ready, we're going to have someone time you for 1 minute. See how many of these words you can read in 1 minute. All right, I'm going to go ahead and read the words below the line with you. So if you would like to read with me, stay here. Right? If you are comfortable in reading these words by yourself, or maybe have another family member that you would like to read those with, feel free to stop the video and get started. All right, I'm going to start reading in the top corner, okay, below the line. So bravely is the first word, and then I'll read down, then go to the next column and read down, and then continue on until I finished. Okay, so go ahead and read along with me. Bravely, contribute, besides, subscribe, landscape, unashamed, statement, contribute, eliminated, excitedly, ashamed, united, hillside, unashamed, excitedly, bravely, ashamed, unexcited, survived, homeland. Excited, grateful, shoreline, statement, intimidate, contribute, United States, gratefully, sacrificed, delete, survive, sacrifice, microscope, contribute, celebrate, besides, hillside, shoreline, microscopes, shapeless, homeland, delete, shapeless, eliminate, estimate, unsubscribe, landscape, intimidated, celebrated, and estimated. Okay. If you'd like to read those again with me, feel free to rewind the video and read them again. All right, so practice reading them a few times and then have someone time you. Okay, good luck today, fifth graders, and I will see you again tomorrow. I know my turn off button's down here somewhere. It's not working very well for me though. So it's okay if you're laughing at me. Oh, there it is.